What's up, you all? This is the Beexcellent headset review. As of right now, it's online on Amazon for $19, and I wanted to really do this review for you all because we recently made some TikTok videos and they have both basically hit 1 million views. One's over 1 million views right now, one's well on its way to about like 900,000 to almost 1 million views. Hundreds of thousands of likes, comments, major split decisions on this headset also. So this is the Beexcellent headset that I got on Amazon, and I did reviews on TikTok, and so therefore it caused so much of a skeptical aspect, and I just wanted to share my insights on how they feel, on how they sound, and just some specs about it, and just my overall and how long I've had them and everything. So so if you like content like this, just be sure that you subscribe to our channel, as we're still trying to grow our channel, as we talk tons with streaming aspects, tech, and just so much more. You definitely don't want to miss out. To do all that, you can hit us up on all socials at TIMSTUH. So let's get right into it. So this is the Beexcellent overall. I had it for today, would probably mark a little over a year. I got it last March, in March 2020. We're now in March 2021. And it's still a very solid mic. Now, is it comfortable? This is the $20 mic. I mean, $20 headset. So I'm looking at it right now. This is how it looks. Real plastic appeal. It's okay for some comfort. I mean, for 20 bucks, I use it. I'm not very much a huge materialistic person, so when I find a bargain, I get real amped up about it, and that's why our videos went viral on TikTok, because I was real like, whoa, this is cool, it sounds crazy for a bargain, and I think it really persuaded people. Some people said it sounded like crap, some people said they don't know, so I don't know if it's input output settings or what, but this is how it sounds right now. And so in terms of this and the full review, we're literally speaking through the mic the whole time. There's no other mics around us, there's nothing, it's just all right here, and you can hear the mic. So this is how it exactly sounds. Let's get into one more thing, something I want to talk about. So this is how you can kind of know that we are talking right through it right now. You can hear me talking, and you can see the waves moving, so that it's a raw audio through my phone right now. And so what I want to say about this is that, because I'm going to show y'all this raw audio input output, and then I'm going to show y'all some examples of us streaming in games. So sometimes in games you can hear different notions depending on how loud the game is. We're going to be streaming directly from the Xbox console directly into a stream using a Logitech C270. So cheap webcam, cheap headset, everything, no edits, no nothing. I can't do no post edits on it. I'm going to show you everything. You're going to see the quality of it. So let's go over a little bit more specs before we keep going. So when you first get these headsets, I'm trying to look for it right now. It's a split aux and a USB. You can see it right here. So this split aux USB basically means that it's allowing for you to be able to plug in, have an option to plug in for a LED on here. Now let me show y'all how that looks. I don't know if I can turn this off and see. So that's kind of like the LED right here. You can see it. I plugged it in via USB. Basically with the LED, I plugged that in via USB to my Xbox, but I'm using a USB extender because the USB is very small on the Beexcellent. Wouldn't recommend it if you don't have a USB extender. Just the LED kind of goes out the window after that. Comfort is okay. Like what I said, I had it for about a year. Everything's good. As long as you're pretty delicate with it, it lasts, in my opinion, because I haven't done it. I just hang it right back on my monitors and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Longevity. So like what I said, a year. LED is a USB, but it's a very short USB. So get a USB extender, and I just plug it directly into my Xbox. The aux, it just goes right into your controller. So it'll go right under here. And this is kind of just how it looks. I want to show y'all this, and you can see multiple pictures of it. I'll post some on here also while I'm editing. But yeah, so overall, my experience, I still like it. It has some form of flexibility. Like you can kind of, it's real plastic appeal though. It's $20, so I mean you're not gonna get amazing criteria as far as comfort. The paddings can be kind of thin, and it can look a little old school, right? It's just a bulky mic. You can hear it, and it'll be up to you on your perspectives of mics, or just what you like in terms of luxury or materials, how much you essentially like this. So I think overall for $20 that lasted me over a year, that's already the best investment I can ask. But for some reason I see that PlayStation and stuff has weird outputs on it. So, and the reason why we're still talking right now, because I'm just showing y'all the full review of how it sounds. So yeah, let's get into some streaming examples, and so we're gonna get it right now. Here's some streaming examples. These streaming examples are gonna be on the Xbox console directly on the Twitch app, and it shows how Twitch can kind of compress audio a little bit, but it still sounds really good. And then no edits, no nothing, everything's raw, so it's everything, whatever Twitch outputs from your console with the Logitech C270 webcam. Let's get it. Positioning. Notice like I still kind of positioning, high ground. Yep, there's a 10-piece. Thank you very much. Probably around here. Told you. Probably higher ground again. Somebody up here, maybe. Somebody up here. High ground right here, maybe. Got him. It's all about positioning at this point. In general, the stage tactics, which is fine. That's not cheating or nothing. At least it's not like modded or anything. Positioning is probably like the #1 thing. If you can get high ground and you know exactly what you're doing high ground or kills. I noticed as I started looking high ground.
Yeah, we gotta dip out of here.
I'm doing that at my next show.
There you go.
Come on. Oh, what the? What? He throws stuff? Hell to the no. To the no, no, no. Oh my god! Oh. Oh my god. Bro. What? What the hell was that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Got him! Hell yeah! Got him! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Reloading! Woo! Let's go! Reloading! Let's go! Come on. Come on. Ran out of bullets, bro. Nope. Come on. You serious, bro? You eventually have to get off that damn fucking thing. Come on. Oh, he got me. Gonna get me, you son. Oh! Oh, man. Scared. Scared. Wasn't earned, bro. Come on, man. Damn. A solo dub, though. Oh. You said that on lock. Alright, cool. Alright, so basically. Well, fuck me, right?
Them down or capture the objective. You're going back to the line.
Oh shit, hell yeah. Let's go. Oh, the fucking grenade. Let's go. Whoa. Are y'all seen this? What happened? Did he just glitch him? Bro, he's flying. He's flying. How you do that? Yo, only. Oh, bro, he lagged out. Oh, that sucks. It's just me by myself now. He's still alive. Wake up, please. Wake up. Wake up. So all in all, for 20 bucks, it has blown my expectations. I thought it was amazing, which is why I did share it on TikTok, which is why it's gotten hectic to this day on TikTok in terms of being viral and going and going and going and accumulating followers and views. So if you want to check out that one, y'all can check out that video also on our TikTok platform. Or if you just want to have more information and more videos like this, you can just hit us up on YouTube. So I appreciate you all so much. For 20 bucks, like what I said, it's fun, it's great, it's a great temporary, it's great for kids, and it's great for more. So check it out. Let us know what's good, man.